Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one dryer machine for the repair. It is brand was Whirlpool brand, made in US. This dryer having problem while customer using this one almost 3 years old. While customer trying to turn the any selecting any option, at that time this knob already got damaged. This we cannot repair actually. This is while we are going to purchase from the market, from the company. It is very expensive here. Here in Dubai, this is 550 dirhams, almost this one 300 US dollar. Because of that, actually, I already discussed with the customer, but as for the customer telling don't try to replace this is very expensive. Because of that, try to repair. Now I'm trying to repair. Before also I did it the same job. I repaired so many timers. It is 100% perfect. It's like as per the if we are compare with the new one, it is not damaging again. I will show you how to repair this one, and we will go to the repair steps. I will show you how to repair. Very careful. Check this one. You no need to unnecessarily spend your money. Also, we have to help for our customer also. Because of that, I'm going to repair this one. I will show you how to do that. Now I'm going to remove the timer. First of all, we have to remove the back cover. We will go to the removing steps. We have to remove the timer back cover, and after that you can find here we have to remove all the connectors from the timer. We have to remove all the connector. We removed already all the connectors. Now earth wire to earth wire. Now I'm going to remove the timer. We have to press this lock properly. We can do it easy with the nose plier, and also downside also locks as same. We have to remove. We have to press and pull out. After that it will come very easy. It's very easy like that. You can remove. This one, see, it's broken already here. You can see. Now we have to repair. I'm not going to replace this one. I'm going to repair this one. I know how to do that. I will show. I want to show you how to do that. It's very easy job for us. First we have to remove this one. Also this screw, and after that remove very careful timer. This one keep one side and take it out, this one. Now we have to turn it other side upside down and keep like that. Don't take it out this side, because the inside all the springs, everything, it will fall down. After that while you going to fix, it will get mash your mind. Because of that, you have to turn this side and take it away. This one here, very slowly take it and push here. Like that you have to take. Why I told you, if you remove this one, actually other side, it will come all this one, the selectors will come out, but it's very easy to fix. Anyway, now we have to take it out, this rotor selector side. We have to take it like that out, and careful, we have to take it out. Now this one we don't know where is the off position, because of that we have to keep here, and we have to think about this one. Actually, if I'm going to repair this one, we have to find before fixing where is the off position, and all the selectors should be off position. Dear friends, now check this one, the selectors, this one off position, here also off position, and also here off position. That's mean this selector now off position. Now what I'm going to do, this one already broken. This is the before selector switch knob, and anyway we cannot fix this one this much, not longer. This is like that. But now what I'm going to do, I'm using this knob, this shaft, this shaft. This one my shop inside from the shop. This is one electric cooker knob selector switch. Now I'm going to cut this one. This same measurement, and after cutting here, now I have to make hole here. Also I am fixing with I have to drill this one, and I'm using another this timer. This one I'm going to remove and fix here. After that our job will be finished. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. And first of all we have to cut this one. After cutting we have to take the measurement, and this much, and after cutting it will come, because we have to fix here inside also. This position we no need to change. Don't very careful. This position has to be as same, the off position. And now I have to cut, and here hole we have to little bit this one bigger drilling. After that we have to fix this with this locker. Now this selector switch shaft, it should be, this is off position, it will come. We can indicate here, and it should be like that. Because of that, now this one it should be this way, like this. Now we know the position. This is the off position. Now we have to keep the shaft this way. We have to fix. I'm going to drill this one now. I'm going to hold this one. Now I already hole and fix the shaft. Now I have to turn it off position here. And it should come like that. Now we can check also. See, now this is the off position. Now if you put glue also, hard glue also, it's not going anywhere. Anyway, now what I'm going to do, now I will fix this one here, like it's one hole I will make here, one hole with the metal shaft. After that is while turning time it's not go anywhere. Now I'm going to turn hole this one. Now I will go here, and here we will insert one hole and I will go the shaft.
And I will make the hole. Yeah, this hole is also. This one. After turning, start break. After that, also will be finished.
I can use this one. See, I can use this. Now I have to cut here, and I will fix this one. I already cut and fix here. Now while turning time, it's not getting turning or getting damage. Now our job already done. Now I have to fix here. Now we can check also here. This is the now okay. Now we have to fix finally, and we have to remove the little bit rusty here, and we will remove the rusty and we will paint also a little bit. Okay, use little bit super glue. It's not the super glue actually, this is Bosil 8502 power glue. It's very good for this job, and I'm fixing, I'm editing little bit here because unfortunately it will, now it's okay. Now we have to fix the timer. While you going to fix the timer, you have to fix properly, otherwise this this groove will break. After that it will not working properly. Because of that we have to fix properly this one, and little bit after fixing this one you do like that. After that is all the teeth will fix properly. Otherwise if you fix wrongly, it will get damaged. Because of that, very careful we have to fix this one. Now finally we have to fix the screws. This way we have to fix, and 2 screws are here. If you are not fixing teeth properly, it will break definitely. Because of that only I am telling, very careful, you have to fix the timer. Now I given already connection to the timer. Finally we have to fix. This way we have to fix, and here lock, and we have to press properly. It's okay now. Now sharp it will come like that. Now this way we have to fix. Now I am fixing here dry, and now giving power connection properly, and press here. Here machine is start. Our job already done. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. Thanks for watching channel again. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly I am requesting subscribe my channel.